strong fortress I can run to. Oh, you, my Lord, are my refuge and strength, a strong fortress I can run to. Call on the name of the Lord, Yerushalayim. Bless the name of our God, Otio. Call on the name of the Lord, Yerushalayim. Bless the name of our God, Otio. Are the light of my life. Your word is a lamp to my feet. Oh, you, my Lord, are the light of my life. Your word